Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best RC car with LED reviews. This 1/16 scale 4WD RC car reaches speeds of 50 km per hour to 75 km per hour, making it a thrilling high-speed drift monster truck for kids and hobbyists. Equipped with LED lights and precise remote control, it offers durable off-road performance. A fun alternative and competitor to Wltoys 14400 Wltoys. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.